Have you ever heard of the tree that's been called nature's pharmacy? It's been around for thousands of years, yet so many of us barely know the magical benefits it holds. What if I told you that this tree could transform your health, rejuvenate your skin, and even fight off deadly diseases? Intrigued? Well, you're in for a treat, because in this video I'm uncovering the amazing benefits of Neem. Also, stick around and watch the video to the end to find out the one thing about Neem that makes it stand out from every other natural remedy. It's a benefit so unique and powerful it could save your life. Neem. This unassuming tree might not look like much, but don't let appearances fool you. In ancient India, it was known as the village pharmacy, and for good reason. From its bark to its leaves, seeds, and even the oil it produces, Neem is a treasure trove of goodness. But wait, before I start to explore its countless benefits, let me tell you a quick story. A little girl in a dusty village once scratched her knee on a sharp rock. Her grandmother rushed over, not with bandages or antiseptic, but with neem leaves crushed into a paste. That paste not only healed her wound, but also prevented any infection. Now, this wasn't just a lucky fluke. It's part of Neem's secret superpower, and I'm about to reveal it all. Let's start with your health. Neem is packed with bioactive compounds that act as natural warriors for your body. Did you know Neem can boost your immune system and even help manage diabetes? That's because it contains azadirachtin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. But that's not all. Scientists have discovered Neem can actually purify your blood. Think of it as a detox cleanse, but one that works from the inside out. Imagine feeling lighter, more energetic, and free from toxins. Doesn't that sound amazing? And here's something even more fascinating. Neem is known to support healthy cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar. It's been used in Ayurvedic medicine to manage diabetes for centuries. Some studies suggest Neem extract can improve insulin sensitivity, making it a potential natural remedy for pre-diabetes. Not to mention, Neem leaves can be brewed into a tea that acts as a natural immunity booster, protecting you from common colds and seasonal flu. So whether you consume it in tea, supplements or powder form, Neem is like having a personal bodyguard for your health. Now let's talk beauty. Neem is like a secret weapon for your skin. Its antibacterial properties fight acne like a pro, while its antioxidants slow down the aging process. And guess what? It doesn't stop there. Neem oil can fade scars, reduce pigmentation, and even help with eczema and psoriasis. Imagine waking up every morning to clear, glowing skin, no expensive creams or treatments needed. And if you're someone who struggles with chronic dryness or sensitivity, neem oil can act as a natural moisturizer, locking in hydration without clogging your pores. Plus, neem water can be used as a toner to tighten skin and reduce open pores. It's even known to help reduce the severity of sunburns thanks to its soothing and healing properties. So, whether it's acne, dryness or aging, Neem truly is your one-stop solution for flawless skin. It is said that ancient queens bathed in neem water. Wonder why? Those queens knew something that I've just revealed. Neem doesn't just make you look good, it makes you feel incredible. Neem is a game changer for your hair too. Struggling with dandruff? Neem oil can eliminate the pesky fungus that causes flakes. Dealing with hair fallout? Neem strengthens your follicles, reducing breakage and promoting growth. It's like having a personal hair care expert growing in your backyard. And trust me, your scalp will thank you. But Neem doesn't just stop at dandruff or hair fall. If you've ever experienced an itchy or irritated scalp, Neem's antifungal and antibacterial properties can provide instant relief. Regular use of neem oil has also been linked to improved hair texture and volume, and for those looking to reverse premature graying, neem leaves are believed to help restore natural pigmentation when applied consistently. Here is an easy solution: boil neem leaves. Let the water cool and rinse your hair with it. It's an ancient practice that still works wonders today. The wonders of Neem don't stop with health and beauty. Keep watching as I continue to reveal some other incredible benefits of Neem. Also, there's one thing about Neem that makes it stand out from every other natural remedy. It's a benefit so unique and powerful, it could save your life. Curious? I'll get to that shortly. I know that you find this video informative so far and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. You can use Neem to whiten your teeth, improve digestion, and even protect your plants from pests. Seriously, what can't this tree do? And now the ultimate benefit of Neem, the one thing about it that makes it stand out from every other natural remedy. It's a benefit so unique and powerful, it could save your life. Its potential role in cancer prevention. That's right, some studies suggest Neem may help combat cancer cells. While more research is needed, the early results are nothing short of promising. Imagine a world where something as simple as a tree could help fight one of humanity's deadliest diseases. So, there you have it. The amazing benefits of Neem for your health, skin and so much more. But here's the thing, Neem isn't just a remedy, it's a lifestyle. Whether it's a cup of Neem tea or a dab of Neem oil, adding it to your daily routine could change your life. Ready to unlock Neem's potential? Don't just take my word for it. Try it for yourself. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with someone who needs to hear this also. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits or lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. But until my next video, click on the playlist that is displayed at the end of this video for more informational and educational videos like this. Also, stay healthy, stay happy, stay curious, and keep learning.